right. Good morning, everybody. Make sure you're getting settled in, get your instruments out. Today you will need your music. We will start with Colonial March and then play Chorale Elegant, and then we'll talk about the third piece just a little bit. But go ahead and get your music up, get in your seats, hurry up. Yes, you trumpets. Okay, get where we're supposed to be. We'll pause the video here for just a second while you're getting ready, and as soon as we're all seated, we'll go ahead and start. And unpause. All right, so we are starting today with Colonial March. Now, before we play it, let's make sure we go over a few things. One, try your best to play all the accents and staccatos that are in this. All those articulation markings telling us how to play the notes with style. Low brass at the beginning, make sure we play those half notes real nice and strong, right where they're supposed to be. Be very careful with the counting, especially in the places where we have lots of rests. A lot of us have rests and sometimes we miscount on them, but make sure you're counting on them. Make sure the section at measure 13 that you are playing pianissimo or piano is marked quiet, and tap your toe and come in. I will call out the numbers as we get to them. I know it's a little challenging with me conducting in a video and not actually being there, but just give it a try and we'll see how this goes. All right, ready? So Colonial March. Sit up straight, feet on the floor, big deep breath before we start, and here we go. 1, 2, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Bar 5, 2. 13. 21. Do, 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 do. Pom, pom, bum, 29. 37. 50. 58. Trumpets, trumpets. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3. Bum, bum, bum. Okay, so at this time, if that went pretty well, we could go on to Chorale Elegant. However, if it didn't sound real well, we could rewind the video and play it again. That will be up to the teacher in the classroom. So, that's all good. And after we decide that, we'll go on to Chorale Elegant for just a little bit. So before we start Chorale Elegant, let's remember it is in a 3/4, and so every bar is just 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Try our best to play the notes nice and pretty, smooth and connected. The trickiest part in this one is around bar 29, I think. So making sure that we play those eighth notes there. And yeah, flutes and clarinets, really play them out. Especially clarinets. Like, you know, if you're marked piano, you can probably really play mezzo forte just because there's, you know, how soft the instrument is. All right, but let's go ahead and start Chorale Elegant. Ready? Here we go. Sit up straight, big breath, big, beautiful sounds. Really warm sounds from the instruments. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 1, ready, play. $37. 1, 2, 3. So same thing. If that didn't go so well, we can pause the video here and rewind it and try it again. If there's still time left in the class period, which, judging from my recording time, there should be. So it might be best to try both of these twice. That's the Colonial March and Chorale Elegant. After that's done, after you've played through both of those twice, if there's some time left, take about 5 minutes and look at our American Song Settings number 1. Okay? What I'd like for you to do, we're not going to try to play that video conducting. What I'd like for you to do with that is find a part that is a little bit difficult, and it's going to sound crazy with everyone playing at the same time. But just take about 5 minutes, sit in your chair, don't get up, don't do any crazy stuff, looking at you, okay? And just practice through it a few times. Find a part that's difficult and just play through it. Even if you're just playing note by note, just getting all the notes. We can get the rhythms correct tomorrow, okay? But check it out and practice it for a little bit. And I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Be good. Go out and save the world. Thanks, guys.